Hi everyone, this is Brian David. Welcome to another video. So if college student ka, I have a message for you. So pakinggan mo to ha. College life is no easy journey to begin with. In this chapter of your life, you will realize that your intellect during high school will not fully reflect the moment you step in the university. Kumbaga, kahit gaano ka katalino nung high school, para bang naubos pagdating mo ng college. Magugulat ka na lang na ibang-iba na ang feeling sa college. Yung mga professors mo, di ganun ka-interactive unlike sa high school. Wala silang masyadong pakialam sa well-being ng students kasi most of them are there to work and fulfill their duties, to teach, not to be our so-called second parent. Sa college mo, marirealize na totoo pala yung saying ng mga seniors natin na basta makagraduate lang, okay na. Kasi iba talaga yung pressure sa shoulders natin as college students. The expectations from our parents, the pride we had during our high school days, and the fear of failure which will continue to haunt us till the rest of our college life. Pero hindi naman lahat negative pagdating ng college. Here you will meet amazing people that will help you to grow and explore life. Dito mo matatry yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nasusubukang gawin noon. New environment, new memories to build with. College will mold you to a person you chose to be. That's the reality of being a college student. Kahit anong course ang piliin mo, basta masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, ipagpatuloy mo lang. Lagi mong tatandaan na kanya-kanya tayo ng timing sa life. Don't compare your life, your progress, and achievements to other people kasi madidrain ka. Have your own pace, you got this. Tiwala lang sa sarili at mag-pray ka kay Lord for guidance. Kasi sa college, the outcome of your decisions will either be beneficial or could lead to disaster. Kasi marami ring distractions. Okay? So guys, laban lang ha? Laban lang. You got this. Just do it. Continue dreaming, pursuing your goals and dreams in life. So, kaya yan. Okay? God bless everyone. Much love.